Chapter 44. Smoke. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Ha-Mim. By the manifest book that makes things clear, we sent this Qur'an down on a blessed night. Surely we are ever warning. On that night is decreed every clarified matter. A command and decree on every matter from us. Surely we are ever sending the messengers as a mercy from your Lord. Surely he is the all-hearer, the all-knower, the Lord of the heavens and the earth, and all that is between them, if only you had faith with certainty. None has the right to be worshipped but he. It is he who gives life and causes death, your Lord and the Lord of your forefathers. No, they are doubtful. Then wait for the day when the sky will bring forth a visible smoke, covering the people. This is a painful torment. They will say, Our Lord, remove the torment from us. We shall become believers. How can there be a warning for them at the time when the torment has already reached them, when a messenger explaining things clearly has already come to them? Then they turned away from the messenger Muhammad and said, One taught by a human being, a madman. Surely we shall remove the torment for a while, and you will soon revert. On the day when we shall seize you with the firmest grasp, we will exact retribution. And indeed before them we tested Pharaoh's people, when there came to them a noble messenger, saying, Restore to me the slaves of Allah. Surely I am a messenger to you worthy of all trust. And do not exalt yourselves against Allah. Truly I have come to you with a manifest authority. And truly I seek refuge in my Lord and your Lord, lest you harm me. But if you do not believe me, then keep away from me and leave me alone. But they were aggressive, so he called upon his Lord, saying, These are indeed a people who are disbelievers, polytheists, and sinners. Allah said, Depart with my slaves by night. Surely you will be pursued. And cross the sea, as it is quiet and divided. Surely they are a host to be drowned. How many gardens and springs do they leave behind, and green crops and goodly places, and comforts of life which they used to take delight in? Thus it was, and we made other people inherit them. And the heavens and the earth did not weep for them, nor were they given respite. And indeed we saved the children of Israel from the humiliating torment from Pharaoh. Surely he was arrogant, and was of those who transgress beyond bounds and commit great sins. And we chose the children of Israel above all mankind and jinn knowingly, and granted them signs in which there was a plain trial. Surely these people are saying, There is nothing but our first death, and we shall not be resurrected. Bring back our forefathers if you speak the truth. Are they better, or are the people of Tubba, or those before them? We destroyed them because they were disbelievers, polytheists, sinners, and criminals. And we did not create the heavens and the earth and all that is between them for mere play. We did not create them except with truth, but most of them know not. Surely the day of judgment when Allah will judge is the time appointed for all of them. The day when a near relative cannot avail a near relative in anything, and they can receive no help except him on whom Allah has mercy. Surely he is the Almighty, the most merciful. Surely the tree of bitterness will be food for the sinners. Like boiling oil, it will boil in the bellies, like the boiling of scalding water. It will be said, Seize him, and drag him into the midst of the blazing fire. Then pour over his head the torment of boiling water. Taste this. Surely you pretended to be the mighty, the generous. Surely this is that about which you used to doubt. Surely the pious will be in a place of security in paradise, among gardens and springs, dressed in fine silk and thick silk, facing each other. So it will be, and we shall marry them to fair females, ones with wide, lovely eyes. There they will call for every kind of fruit, in peace and security. They will never taste death, except the first death of this world, and he will save them from the torment of the blazing fire as a bounty from your Lord. That will be the supreme success. Certainly we have made this Qur'an easy in your tongue, in order that they may remember. Wait then, O Muhammad. Surely they too are waiting.